welcome. In this video I will show you how to manually install the Temprecord USB Reader drivers onto your Windows 8 machine. The first step is to open up Internet Explorer and go to www.temprecord.com/downloads/driverpack.html. This will open up the following website. Now, because we are manually installing the drivers, we want to click on this link here to download the zip file. We wish to save this file, and we just need to wait for it to download. So the download has now completed. We can now go back to the main Windows 8 screen, and we want to go into desktop. Now you'll want to navigate to the folder where you downloaded the drivers. In my case it's in the downloads folder, and you'll want to right click and go extract all. If you're using a touch screen, remember that you can click compress folder tools and click extract all. I'm just going to leave this default, but you may want to change this, and for the purposes of this example I don't need it to show me the files, so I'm just going to click extract. Now we have a till drivers 2.08.28 signed folder that appears here. The next step is to plug in the Temprecord USB Reader. I'm going to do that now. Okay, as you can see, we have got a device setup box that has appeared, which says installing Temprecord USB Reader. Now this will fail because we don't actually have the drivers installed. Now to check that it has failed or succeeded, what we want to do is go back to the main menu and just start typing Device Manager. Now I have a keyboard here, but if you don't have a keyboard, so if you're using a touch panel, you would swipe from the right, go search, push the search box and type in Device Manager. Now you can see that no apps match my search. What we need to do is go into this and click this settings button here, and then click Device Manager. When Device Manager opens up, we can see the Temprecord USB Reader has been detected, but it has a yellow exclamation mark. So to install the drivers manually, we wish to go right click, update driver software, browse my computer for driver software. Then we wish to go browse, and in this case we want to browse to the folder where we downloaded the drivers to. So documents, downloads, till driver signed, and just push OK. Ensure include subfolders is ticked. Click next. You will get the following pop-up box. It is up to you to decide if you always wish to trust software from Temprecord International. If you don't, simply just proceed with the install without checking this box. As you can see, the Temprecord USB Reader has now been installed. We now have to install the USB serial port. So you can see that this has appeared again with the yellow asterisk. The procedure is the same as before. Right click, update driver software. If you can't right click, you can click on this button here, update driver software. So if you're using a touch screen, this might be better. Browse my computer for driver software. The folder will be the same as previously. Click next. If you have ticked this before, you won't have this message appear. In this case we haven't, so it has appeared again. Click install. The Temprecord USB serial port has now installed. We can close this. As you can see, both devices, Temprecord USB Reader now appears in both locations. We are now ready to use Temprecord for Windows. Thank you for watching.